Recording is on.
I was saying this thing here is what you call the heat sink on the L298N motor driver or H-bridge circuit. Okay, just make sure it points upwards so that you don't confuse your connection. You can actually put it anyway, but for starters in your level, please make sure it's pointing upwards. Do you get it? Now, take your screwdriver. If you have a star screwdriver, you don't have the flat end screwdriver, please don't worry. Use your star screwdriver, but make sure you don't always use it. Okay. Now, take your flat end screwdriver and then just put it on the screws here and then just loosen all of them. It won't completely come off, but just loosen all of them. Do it until it's very loose because you're going to be fixing some wires in there.
Uncle Frank, is it the one inside the blue space?
Yes. These screws, they don't come off. They won't come off. All right, but they will become loose. So just turn all of them until they are loose. That's the first thing you need to do. And I told you that this thing is needed to control the DC motor because DC motors pull a lot of current. Okay, and the microcontroller directly cannot provide that current. So we need an H-bridge circuit or a motor driver L298N to do the to provide that kind of current. Now, let me just add one more thing. When you are done loosening the screws on your H-bridge L298N motor driver, make sure when you are doing the connection, this heat sink points upwards. This heat sink points upwards. Okay. Now, the next thing is when you take your robotic car, all right, this is what I did. You join the red wire. So let's say you take the left side. This is your left, assuming this is your left. Okay, let's just say this is your left. So you take the red wire of this one, of this car, of this motor, and the red wire of this one, all right, and join them together. So maybe you might have to even bite the end of it, peel it off, and then intertwine the wires together. So this one and then this one, join the red wire together. Then you also join the black wire of this one and this one together too. So please do the connections. It goes this way, not this way. It goes this way because you are controlling this motor as one unit. So join the red wire together and join the black wire together. It's more like parallel connection. Those of you who are in upper primary and all of that, you would understand when they teach you in school. Parallel and series connection. So connect it in parallel. The red wires together, the black wires together. Then if you have a brother or something or someone who is helping you, for example, Nana Abena and the rest, your sister can also do it. You join the red wires of this one, and this one, join the red wires together, and then join the black wires of these ones two together. So at the end of the day, you should have the connection this way. Please, I hope you can all hear me.
Sir, please, I can hear you, but I can't see your screen.
Oh.
Okay, now I can see the
screen. And come back on. Yeah, because I'm running on low resolution.
Okay, I can see it now.
Okay. So let me just fix the tires of my car. Please, have you finished losing the screws of the H-bridge, your motor driver?
So please, after you finish connecting,
okay. If you really cannot see, just log off. It has to be your connection because there are no relation. Yes.
Uncle Frank, I'm confused.
Okay, what's this?
Sir, please.
Okay, Madiba. Is it Madina or Nana Abena who is confused?
Please, my sister is currently trying to do the wires while I'm loosening the.
Okay. All right. So,
please, I am confused.
Mami Araba, this is what I'm saying. You see this tire?
Is it like that?
Please watch my screen. You see this tire and this tire, these two tires. All right. The red wires of these two tires. So you see the first one, this is the red wire. And then the second tie, this is the red wire. We pass the wires from the inside to the top. Join the red wires together. So maybe you might have to bite the end of the wire like I was showing you in the beginning and remove the bare part and twist it together. Do you get it? Twist it together and you join it in. Okay, so that's what I've done here. Then you do the same thing for the black wire too. You take the wires together, twist them together, or bite it and twist it together and join it. So at the end of the day, please use this vertical, not horizontal, vertical. Join the red wire of this one and join the red wire of this one. Then I'm coming. Then when you are done, you join the red wire of this one and join the red wire of this one together. And then you join the black wire of this one and the black wire of this one together. So that vertically, that's how you should do it.
Thank you.
Okay. All right, Ella. Who's gone offline? Yeah, Jeremy, what were you saying?
I wanted to show if it was the proper way.
Okay, so you can put on your camera and show him. Please, you can put on your camera and show me what you've done. Camera is not so good. Are you using your phone? Because the resolution is pretty bad. Okay, obviously. Someone was online. I don't know who it was. All right. Please, should I continue?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Please, the second part where you're connecting, please, which hole should you connect it to?
The second part, I don't understand.
Like, one of the parts has the rectangular part that you put the wires in, but the other part doesn't have it.
Are you talking of the robotics kit or the H bridge?
The robotics kit.
The rectangular part.
Where you insert the wires. So I'm just using one of the circles in it to connect it.
Okay, you know something? Just watch the video again. Do you get it? So if you're having problems, and just rewatch the video. Because if I'm waiting for everyone to finish, we probably may not finish. All right. So what I'll do is that I'm going to continue with the H bridge. Just watch it. You're supposed to do everything right now. But after the class, please watch the video. I'll upload it to YouTube and I'll send you the links. I'll send the links to your parents. Please make sure you watch it and follow it very well. Is that okay?
Yes, please.
Okay, good. So we have just about 20 minutes before I take the new class. So yeah. Okay, so this is the thing. Please take your H bridge circuit. Take your robotics kit, place the H bridge on the robotics kit. Now you see, let's do it at this side. You see this side where you find this line on your robotics kit. Okay, good. You can actually put it anywhere. Don't bother if you can't find. You can actually put it anywhere. But I think that it is just a good thing to place it here. Please mute your sound. Okay, so what I've done here is that I've placed it. You see this line, where the line is. You see this line, okay? I've placed the H bridge on that line, okay? I told you that this must point upwards. Okay, good. Now I'm going to show you something. You see this red wire? Please, everyone, watch me. Please, just watch me. After the class, you can do your connections, okay? But just watch me so that you understand what I'm doing. Now, the red wire. I want you to connect it here. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put off my camera And then let me just try and show you something. Let me open Paint. Please just watch me, okay?
Please, when will the video be out?
Oh, by the end of the day, I'll do it and then I'll upload it on YouTube. So just watch. I'm going to show you something. I'm trying to do something on my screen. Give me a few seconds. And 2, 8. Okay. So can you all see? Can you all see my screen?
No.
Ella, Madiba, everyone, can you all see my screen?
No. No, please.
Okay.
Why this laughing?
All right. So please watch. Is it better now? Can you all see my screen?
Yes, please. I can see it.
Good. Now please watch. I want everyone to mute and watch me. This red wire, okay? The 2 red wires, connect them and join them here. Okay? The red wires, join 2 of them. I hope you understand what I'm saying. This is what I mean.
Yes, please.
Yes, so the 2 wires connect and join it inside this thing. And then the black wire, you say, okay, join the black wires and connect them here. Slot it inside and then tighten the screw. All right, so I'm just going to do a demonstration for you to see.
That's not me. Which remote? Which remote? Auntie, which remote?
Someone should mute. Okay, thank you. All right, so this is what I'm saying. The first connection I've done, okay, let me try and then put this. You see this one? Both of them have gone into the first. Please, can you all see my screen?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Then the black one too. I'm going to connect the black one, all right, and place it under here. All right, so please do that also. I wanted to discuss something with you. Do you think we should make the class in the mornings instead of the afternoons?
No, sir.
Maybe around 11. Okay, so who is saying no? Manuela?
Yes, sir.
Okay, why you have programs in the morning?
No.
No.
So that you'll be free. Or this time is okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please. It's okay. It's okay. It's very okay.
So this is it. You see, I've joined everything in there. Tighten it very well so that it doesn't easily come off. Okay.
Tighten what I do.
So tighten it very well so that it doesn't easily come off. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, please.
Uncle, please.
Yeah.
The way you connected the HDD bridge, please can I see how you connected it?
Yes, so I'm saying that you join the two wires. Don't worry, I'll share the video after the class, but I'm saying that you join the two wires and push it into the first, this thing. You see the way the thing is like this blue, this thing connected there. So for example, if it's on the left side, connect it to the port that is closer to the left side. It doesn't make sense connecting it to this one. The one that is closest to this, then you join the two wires in there. Okay. So when you are done, you do it for the right side too. Okay. My right is different from your left, so just know. The red wires must be on the top screw or the top port. Then you tighten it very well. Tighten the screw very well. And then you join the black ones too and push the black ones to the down screw. So please, I'm going to share my screen now. If you see my diagram or you see my window, please just watch my window if you're having problems. You see this part 1 and 2, 1 and 2, that's where the wires go into. And then 13 and 14, that's where the wires also go into. Okay, just make sure red is on top. I think there was a mistake here. So make sure red is on top and black is down. All right, red and black. So this port, this one goes to the left and then this one goes to the right. All right, so make sure you've tightened it very well so that it does not remove. Okay. Please, I'll share the video by the end of the day. I'll upload it to YouTube. I'll share the link with you through your emails by the end of the day. So please, if you're having problems and you didn't understand what I did, just watch the video. Okay, it's not that much of a problem.
Okay. Shut up.
Should I continue?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Now, the next thing we're going to do is in these three parts. These three parts or the three barrels. Okay. These three barrels. Okay, these three barrels. This is what we are going to do now. 1, 2, 1, and 2, and 3. All right. Please watch this ones. This is what I'm talking about. These three. All right. Now, please, everyone, take your battery pack. You see, your battery pack has the red and the black wires. We all know by now, everyone should know what red and black signifies. Okay. Now, take your battery pack. Take the red wire, take the black wire actually. No, let's take the red wire first. The black, we'll get to the black. And then connect the red wire. You see these three barrels. Please, can you all see this three blue thing? Can you all see it? Hello?
Yes, please, I can see it.
Okay. Now you see the screw, the pot, the screw or the pot that is the farthest away from this thing. You see these four things, and we'll connect them to the microcontrollers. So just ignore. Now this one that is closest to this one, the one that is closest, that is far away from these things, or that is closest to this one. This one, the out, like let me just say, the third screw that is closest to these ones, what we connected the motors to. Push the red wire of your battery pack into it. So please be watching my screen. This one that is close to this, push the red wire into this and tighten it. This is the supply. This is where the power is coming from. So push the red wire in there and then tighten it. I hope you all follow me. So you tighten it there. This is what I'm talking about. Have you seen it? This is the battery pack. And I've connected it in here. Sorry, I can't see my screen. Okay, good. You see that I've connected it in here. You see the battery pack? Can you all see? Are you all following me? Jeremy, Mami Araba, Nana Abena, Madiba, okay, and then Manuela. All right. Should I continue? I'll do the last thing and then we'll continue next week.
Yes.
I don't want to put too much on you. All right. Then the final thing we're going to do is, after we're done with the first one, now the black wire. Please, if you're having problems, and just double click on my video or my picture or where I'm showing my camera, my picture will become bigger and then you see me well. Okay. So just double click on this thing. So this part, you take the black wire of the battery pack, take the black wire, all right? And then you connect it to the middle. You see the first one, we connected this, okay? Now the middle screw. Push the black one into the middle screw. We'll remove it again, especially the middle one. We'll remove it again. So just keep notes of that because you're supposed to connect something else with it. But I just want to show you for demonstration purposes. So connect the black wire in the middle one. If it's giving you problems, just straighten the bare wire out. Okay, just straighten the bare wire out and slide it through it. And then tighten it. Make sure it doesn't easily fall out. Good. So this is what you should have. I don't know. I'm sure the wires are becoming entangled, but this is literally what you should have. In the middle, the black wire should be in the middle. Okay, the black wire should be in the middle. You see the black wire is in the middle. That is all we'll do for today. I don't want to go too far. But when you're done with that connection, just take four batteries and put it in there. Just to be sure that your connection. So just take 4 batteries. In my case, I have rechargeable batteries. Just take 4 batteries and place them in the battery charger. The moment you see, let me just try it in my own so that I'll be sure. The moment you see a red light, it means that your connection is good. Can you all see a red light on my car?
Yes.
So if you do it very well and you see a red, it means you're on the right track. If you don't, so this is the indicator. If you don't find the red light, then it means that your connections, you need to check them again. So watch the video and see what you did wrong or what I'm doing. Then you follow. The fact that the light is on your H-bridge circuit is a sign that you are in the right direction. Okay, and you are just one step away from getting your car moving. Any questions? I'll stop the recording here and then I'll try and upload the video.